Missy Lisa Hanna in a big dirty scandal. How many hear nobody report on this year? Well, I'll be the first. Hanna, a former Minister of Culture who is now the opposition People's National Party Shadow Minister for Foreign Affairs, has been accused of misbehavior in public office and now has questions hanging over her head about her alleged involvement in directly influencing the awarding of contracts for bushing and drain cleaning works in her constituency in 2012. Contractor General Dirk Harris has called for the Office of Director of Public Prosecution, ODDP, to begin a criminal investigation into Hanna's actions and occurrence at her constituency office, as well as the St Ann Municipal Corporation and all its councillors, as well as other personnel. The MP is accused of influencing $13 million worth of contracts over 5 years in the constituency in damning 554-page report by the Office of the Contractor General. All the councillors of the municipal corporation have also been implicated in the scandal, which the OCG said involved falsifying documents, misleading statements, and instances of no contracts being placed for works paid for. Wow. The OCJ has asked the ODP to determine whether in her role as MP, Hanna willfully neglected to perform her duty or willfully misconducting herself by making recommendations for the award of the government contracts amounting to abuse of her public trust by acting fraudulently. Wow. In a statement yesterday, her attorney King Knight Jr. and Samuels were adamant that Hanna bears no criminal culpability and neither does the other individuals accused of wrongdoing in the OCG investigation, even though the law firm is not representing them. So, Ms. Hanna is accused of falsifying documents, fraudulently falsifying documents, okay? Wow. And influencing $13 million of constituency in a 554-page report, okay? Misleading statements and influencing contracts. Now the same Lisa Hanna they talk about cartel and how he's misguiding the youths and him this and him that. Miss Hanna, how you catching a mix up now, Miss Hanna? Oh wow, this is crazy. And the DDP is not playing around, okay? She's trying to make Miss Paula Llewellyn, if she's the one investigating this, Miss Paula Llewellyn, and she's trying to make a name for herself in Jamaica. So anybody and everybody on her hit list, the woman look wicked and evil in every picture of Miss CR. So Miss Lisa Hanna need to be very, very cautious and careful as to how she handled this investigation, because they're not playing around. This goes to show you, pretty face without the knowledge behind it doesn't get you anywhere. No matter how you're pretty, you can't pretty and don't. And this goes to show you that corruption stems from the lowest level to the highest level in politics in Jamaica, because this is a criminal investigation now. Criminal investigation. And more politicians need to be criminally investigated for all the stuff that they are doing with people's money, hard Jamaicans' hard-earned money that they give in taxes, and all the heap of money where them a borrow from other people's country. They need to put investigators in place to make sure these people are actually doing what they say they're doing with all these millions of dollars. Me wish Lisa Hanna nothing but the best, but that wanna look sticky pan your mom. That wanna look real sticky. So comment in the comment section and tell me guys what you think about this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.